Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Polyresin bird bath. And that's with all my purchases. I don't get anything for doing these videos. I just like doing unboxing videos of items I've purchased in the past. In case there's somebody out there thinking about buying the same item. Want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. So I apologize, this is a rather large item, so it's going to be hard to kind of get everything in a video, but let's take a look at everything we get. So this is going to be our stand. This is a 28-inch high bird bath when we put it in the ground all the way up, 28 inches. This is going to be our stand. This is going to be, I believe, the pedestal. We'll see when we get through all of it. Here's the pedestal. So this is going to be the bottom of it. It's a nice sturdy polyresin material. Should last a long time. Should be pretty easy. All we're going to do, I believe, are screw all these pieces together. So let's see. I see. This piece goes in the bottom. The pedestal is 15 inches in diameter. They do give you some stakes that you can stake it down. I'm actually planning on just putting some river rocks on top of mine to hold it down. The reason I got this is I'm having issues with cats that are knocking over my bird bath, and they're basically knocking it on top of my plants. I've got the big heavy concrete ones, so I'm hoping this will be a little bit better and a little bit safer for my plants. Then next we've got this. All we're going to do is we're going to screw it in. Wow, it's got a lot of threading on it. Get it nice and sturdy. Now you can fill the inside. Not sure if you're gonna be able to see that. It's a hollow inside, so if you wanted to put sand or something like that in there to weigh it down, you could do that as well. Some directions. And then the actual bird bath itself. So I mentioned that the pedestal is 15 inches in diameter. The bird bath itself is 20 inches in diameter. Again, with the threaded bottom. So all we're going to do is screw this on top and we're ready to go. Talk about easy. This thing is so light. Should be easy to move around or dump the water if you need to. You can also take the lid off to dump the water, bring it in, clean it, whatever you need to do. But anyway, that's a quick unboxing. I thought it might be beneficial to give a view of what it looks like in my flower bed. As I mentioned before, I just had some river rocks on the bottom to give it some weight and hold it down. You can use the stakes it comes with. It comes with 3 stakes, but I just thought it was easier to put some rocks on top of it. I think it looks great. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it helps.